Yeah, hi. This is the ultimate swamper plays again, and I'm telling you how to make monster bridge. Well, a lot of you are probably thinking that it is soda, beer, stuff like that. It is not. You are wrong. Unless you drink like 9 packs of that stuff, you're not gonna get more than this. That's really all you're gonna get. What you really need to do is you really need, like, it's hard to explain, like, swallow air. Don't just breathe it like, you actually need to swallow it. Like, here's like a sort of an explanation how to swallow air, but I'm not sure how good it is. Okay, let's see. Like, you might have heard of bubbles, like the air bubbles rolling down. You puff up your cheeks like this. Then you like push the air down your throat. It's hard. I couldn't do it the first time I tried, but after a while I got the hang of it. So all you gotta do is this. I can get ones better than that if I like keep the air down like as long as you can. If you want to get like really loud ones, you're gonna have to keep the air down your stomach for a while, so like swirls around. You're gonna feel it like bubbling up every once in a while. Just swallow, and it'll go right back down. Don't take it out too long. It's gonna sound like. Don't keep it down there too long, or it's gonna end up like this. Crap, I couldn't find it, but it's gonna end up sounding like. It's gonna come out the place that you don't want it to. It's gonna come out as farts. Sorry. But yeah, that's all you gotta do. If you want it really loud, keep going until like you can't put any more down. Just let it all out at once. Make sure it's not one of those silent like. Make sure it has power, like sort of like sucking your foot in, like. I don't know if you can see it, you can like hit me right here with like crappy balls. Start sucking your throat and it'll make a lot more noise. Alright, that's my how-to video for right now, and I'll have more up probably later. I'll have another one up probably on either Pokemon or Pocket Fighters later today, or something else, I don't know. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye.